My dear friends, I am very happy that our university is a part of this Nasha Mukt Abhiyan 2021, and I extend a very warm greetings to all of you. As you are already aware, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, that is MAHE in India, has a heritage that spans over 5 decades of relentless pursuit of intellectual excellence. It truly has been a ceaseless quest of the legacy and dream of its founder, Dr. T.M.A. Pai, a noted medical doctor, educator, banker, and above all, a wonderful human being. Inspired by his zeal for life, he had been a legendary vision of disseminating and imparting knowledge to all and to make this world a better place of humanity to live and enjoy. Department of Student Affairs, MAHE, is conducting an year-long project of Nasha Mukt Udupi Abhiyan 2021, which is a part of the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan 2021. This project is funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. MAHE, an institution of excellence and eminence, has always striven hard to eradicate drug abuse and drug peddling on its campus. Our vision is to be a leading university dedicated to the pursuit of excellence by fostering, disseminating, and applying knowledge, and to instill ethical and intellectual values to ensure and enriching the future for all the student community. Mahatma Gandhi has said, I quote, "Education alone is the panacea for all social evils," unquote. I take this opportunity to thank the Student Affairs Department of our university who are taking it further, and we will all work together to make our campus a drug-free MAHE campus. By working together with the government and the community, we can enlighten our youth that drug use is dangerous and that it destroys the fabric of our society. I wish this Abhiyan great success. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Warm greetings from Manipal Academy of Higher Education, an institution of eminence deemed to be a university. It is with a sense of pride and commitment that I inform you about a high priority year-long project we have undertaken to combat drug abuse and illicit drug trafficking on the MAHE campus and the surrounding areas of Udupi district. This project, titled Nasha Mukta Udupi Abhiyan, is organized by the Directorate of Student Affairs, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, and funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. Substance abuse is amongst the most complex problems we face today, with wide-ranging impact on the health and well-being of our students in particular and the community in general. There are no easy solutions. However, this initiative reinforces my strong conviction that we can chart a better path to counter this menace in our society. I urge all of you to work towards prevention of substance abuse and illicit drug trafficking. Together, we can ensure that the entire community can live in health, dignity, and peace, and achieve security and prosperity for the entire community and the country as a whole. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Dear students and well-wishers of MAHE, I extend warm wishes and greetings to all of you. Drug addiction is a major problem, especially in the younger population, not only in India but throughout the world. Addiction to drugs destroys the individual in many ways, intellectually, physically, psychologically, and financially. It puts tremendous pressure on the family members. To combat the problem, the government started Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan in 2015. As a part of Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan 2021, the Department of Student Affairs, MAHE, is organizing Nasha Mukt Udupi Abhiyan 2021 throughout the year. This project is funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. To combat the menace of drug addiction in students most effectively, the entire community must be involved to convey the message that the use of drugs is harmful and illegal. I am sure all of us together would be able to effectively combat the problem. I wish the project all the success. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Dr. Dilip Naik, Pro Vice Chancellor Mahe, bringing warm greetings from the Mangalore campus. Education is a powerful weapon in the fight against drugs. As one of the top ranking universities in India, Mahe deems it a responsibility to play a vital role in helping young people remain drug free. Hence, this initiative by the Department of Student Affairs Mahe to organize the year-long project Nasha Mukt Udupi Abhiyan 2021, which is a part of the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan 2021. This project is funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. Educating young people about these hazards of substance abuse and equipping them with skills to deter the drug use is an important component of Mahe's war against drugs. Let us all work together and urge our youth to say no to drugs and stick to the commitment forever. Thank you.
Substance abuse is a major social ill affecting not just the individuals and their families, but the entire society. Control and elimination of this problem requires a multi-pronged strategy targeting people and policies. This effort of the Directorate of Student Affairs Mahe in creating awareness in the community is a step in the right direction. May you succeed in your endeavor in making the district Nasha Mukt. Thank you.
Greetings from Mahe, Manipal. I am Dr. Narayan Sabahit, Registrar of Mahe. Many of you are already aware that the Department of Student Affairs Mahe is conducting a year-long project Nasha Mukt Udupi Abhiyan 2021, which is a part of the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan 2021. This project is funded by the Ministry of Social Justice of Empowerment, Government of India. Today, my message for the student community is stand up against drugs. Don't let drugs get in the way of your dreams. Please help us by supporting our project and passing this message to your peers. As a team, we can definitely eradicate this menace from our campus and our society. Thank you.
नमस्कार। नशा एक हिंदी शब्द है। अगर हम आसपास की उसका अगर कोई हिंदी शब्द देखेंगे तो और एक वर्ड आता है, बहुत पावरफुल वर्ड आता है, वो है नाश और विनाश। कहने का मतलब ये है, अगर हम नशा लेते हैं या सेवन करते हैं तो हम लोग नाश के बहुत करीब खड़े रहते हैं। एंड ये इट विल टेक अस टुवर्ड्स द डिस्ट्रक्शन। नशा एक ओवर स्पीडिंग कार की तरह है, जिसे तो हम ये आपको नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाती है, ये पूरा आपका परिवार और आसपास का जितना लोग हैं उनको डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली सबके ऊपर इसका असर पड़ता है। हर एक साल 26 जून को दुनिया भर में मादक पदार्थों के सेवन से दूर रहने के लिए बहुत सारे अवेयरनेस किया जाता है। हमारी डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट अफेयर्स, मणिपाल एकेडमी ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन की तरह से भारत सरकार के मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस और एम्पावरमेंट द्वारा जो प्रोग्राम किए जाते हैं, इसमें से पूरा उडुपी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हम जागरूक करते हैं कि कैसे नशा नहीं लिया जाएगा। तो अंत में मैं एक ही लाइन बोलना चाहता हूँ, जितने रहेंगे आप नशा से दूर, जिंदगी खुशियों से होगी उतनी भरपूर। आइए कसम खाते हैं, लेट्स मेक नशा मुक्त उडुपी और नशा मुक्त भारत। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
It's popularly said that friends in need are friends indeed. If you really have that true friend indeed, he will never ever encourage one to smoke weed. As we already navigate through these difficult times of COVID-19, it is all the more important that we stay healthy, we stay mentally tough, and stay away from any form of addictive stuff. Let's do our bit in having a Nasha Mukt Udupi and a Nasha Mukt Bharat. Thank you.
Dear friends, we are all aware that substance abuse and illicit traffic of drugs is a menace in our society and major cause of disorientation among the youth. Drug addiction can lead to serious long-term consequences like disorientation in physical and mental health, relationships, education and employment. Therefore, it can be looked at as an enemy of the society, as it is engulfing more and more people every single day, and getting rid of it should become our first priority. In this regard, active steps need to be taken to curb substance abuse. The most important step in this direction will be to spread awareness amongst the students and the community at large. Our Indian government has already initiated various missions and is striving hard to achieve success in this direction. We at MAHE have undertaken the year-long Nasha Mukt Udupi Abhiyan project funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, in an effort to educate our youth and free our society of the perils of substance abuse. Supporting the fight against drug abuse will not only help us save people's lives, but will also bring forth an understanding of how deeply embedded in our community. I request all our dear student community to help us achieve this objective by involving themselves in all activities that we have planned as a part of the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan project, and help make our campus as well as surrounding villages of our district Nasha Mukt. Thank you.